Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul from Amazon, Ross, as well as a new beauty supply store that just opened up near me. So if you're excited like I am, then just definitely keep on watching. We are going to start off with Ross because I am wearing one of the new items I picked up. It's just a navy blue with a bunch of little white stars onto it, and it's frayed on the edges here. It's frayed on the edges on this part of it, on the top as well as on the bottom. It's like almost like a crop top kind of sweater. Super comfortable. I love it, and I had to wear it in this video because I'm obsessed with it and I want more. I normally don't find any name brand at my Ross stores. I always find Paris Hilton, Profusion, sometimes BYS, and then like other brands that I'm like, I've never heard of. I don't know if they're any good, but I found NYX. I've been eyeing this primer for years. Finally took the chance and bought it. This is the Hydratouch Primer. It was only $4. I think this is a lot smaller, or like a lot less ounces than the original, but for $4, am I really going to complain? No. Then I found this from Lime Crime and I was like, what? Lime Crime at Ross? Like, Ross has changed since like a couple of years ago. Like, none of this stuff would appear there. But I wanted to try this. It looked pretty cool. It looked like a pretty color. It's the Lip Pops, and this is in the shade called Pumpkin Pop. But this is what the little applicator looks like. So okay, let me figure this out. I know I figured it out once before. Oh yeah, you click it. That's the what. So you click it at the bottom here, and it comes out at the top. Oh, look at that. That is cute. Perfect for fall. That's the color right there, and I cannot wait to use it. I think it's pretty. Next up, I'm going to show y'all the items that I picked up from the new beauty supply store. I found some name brand, and I found some unknown brands. They've got a bunch of like little wigs. They got nail stuff. They got jewelry, accessories, all sorts of stuff, and I was just amazed at the prices mostly. I'm going to start off with the brush because I wanted to try just a little bit of everything. I have already used this, so it's out of the package, but you will see it in the video coming, I think, this next Sunday. If not, it's already out. Check the description box. But it's from LA Colors, and I didn't know LA Colors made brushes. I know they make makeup, and I see it all the time at the dollar store and sometimes in like Dollar General. But this is their tapered blending brush. And they do have a bunch of other brushes, but I wanted to try one to test out first. Next up, I found some nail polishes, and normally I don't really pick up nail polishes. It's not like a common product that I normally gravitate towards. It's always just makeup, and more makeup. But these looked so pretty. They were so affordable. Like, everything in the store was extremely inexpensive. So I picked up 3 to try. They're all from the same brand called Gabriella. They're a matte gel effect shine polish. And I picked up this color here, which is called Kiwi, so it's more of like a mint sort of color. Then I picked up this one called Purple Orchid. And then I picked up the shade called Salmon. And this one definitely looks like a more like nudie sort of color, and I was like, yes. But these are pretty. I have to get used to the matte color of it. I'm more of like the shine person, and I'm like, let me put on a top coat, and I'm like, wait, that defeats the whole purpose. But I think they're so pretty. Like, they're just, ugh. And then imagine on some acrylics. Oh man, that's gonna top it all off. Next product that's sort of like makeup related, but sort of not. I am gonna get to the actual like makeup stuff because I did pick up a few items, but I wanted to try some new lashes because I've heard of this brand called iEnvy. They had them, and I have to get a pair of lashes. I held back, only got this box to try. So I wasn't sure which ones to pick because there was a whole aisle on either side dedicated to lashes, and I was like, I've got to refrain, I've got to hold back, I can't buy them all. There was just natural, there was dramatic, there was long, there was short, there was extremely long, and I was like, heck no to that one. I trusted this little sticker saying that these were best-selling lashes. They're not in the package because I'm wearing them on the eyes today. So these are what they look like. And I just think that they're so pretty. They don't really like say on the box that they're faux mink or anything, but they're just so soft, so pretty. They're got some fullness to them. They're not long. I don't think I've told y'all the name of these. They're the Natural 3D and number 26, but I like these so far, and definitely next paycheck we're heading over and we're picking up a few more of them. I'm actually going to show y'all the lipsticks that I picked up first. I've heard of this brand called Beauty Creations. They have a few products from them. I am excited. So here is the lipstick. This is so pretty. It's just so shiny and very, very pretty. I love it. So this is the shade called Now or Never, and I swatched it already in my other video, but here's what it looks like swatched and dried. So it's a really pretty color. It's almost like a pinky sort of color. The other lip color I picked, not a brand I'm familiar with. I've never heard of it. I did some research on it, which I will talk a little bit about here in a second, but it's from Ruby Kisses by Kiss. And look at this packaging. Does it not remind you of someone? Like the Kylie lipsticks with the paint dripping? I love the packaging. I love the color. I love the simplicity of this. This is their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade called Gotta Be Me. And it's this color right here swatched on my hand. And it's also what's on my lips right now. So like I mentioned, I researched this company. They do have an Instagram and they do also have a website. If you're curious, I will link those down below for you guys. But they're called Ruby Kisses Cosmetics. Their whole reason for creating the company was that beauty should be affordable, diverse, and inclusive, which I love. I think that's amazing to represent. Their address is in New York. They do have several stores in Florida, New York, New Jersey, and DC. There is 12 shades available on the website, and I was not able to find this specific color that I picked up on the website. I don't know if only the stores, beauty supply stores, or the physical stores carry it. I'm not too sure, but I found this cute little palette, green palette. I have to have greens now. I don't know what it is, but it's from the brand called NK Makeup or Nika K New York. And this is their Lucky Charm palette. It is a 9-pan palette, very similar to like Huda Beauty and like a few others. I also had to do some research on this company because I was like, I've never heard of it. So, curious me, I had to do some research. This is their Pop Neon 9-pan palette. On the website, they retail for $4, and on my receipt, I paid only $3.50. There's 4 variations, including this one. So they have a Watermelon Splash, the one I picked up, Lucky Charm, Oh Honey, and Ocean Eyes. It is a US-based company in New York since 1995. But now it's time to talk about all the things that I blacked out on Amazon and purchased, and now I woke up and don't remember what it is. Who can relate? First product I'm going to show y'all is not makeup. It has nothing to do with this channel, but another love of mine besides video games and makeup, in case you guys didn't know, is also cooking. And I've seen this product, I think like a year or two ago. Never bit the bullet to buy them. And I was like, you know what? I'm already shopping on Amazon. Throw it in my cart. It is going to be a necessity in the kitchen. I'm going to constantly use this and I need to rave about it. You need these. You're probably like, what in the heck is this? Okay, you guys, I'm going to insert some pictures while I talk, but this is a Ziploc Bag Holder to keep it open so you can put products in your Ziploc, fill them up, and be hands-free. I think this is the most genius thing ever. This one, it was a 4-pack, I believe, for $8. I will try and insert the screenshots here on the screen. If not, link it down below for you guys. But they are expandable. You can definitely hold gallon size, quart size, snack size, and all in between. You can definitely hold the plastic Ziploc and the reusable Ziploc bags. And this stays on your counter, so that way you can fill up your bags and be hands-free and not need another person. I had to tell you guys. The next product I wanted to show y'all is, I'm actually sitting on it right now, but I will get up off my chair and show y'all. I wanted a throw blanket on my beauty chair, my makeup chair, whatever you want to call it. Because sometimes I do get cold while I'm doing my makeup, or sometimes I just like to have a little cozy blanket while I'm on my computer, because I do kind of multi-purpose my desk as like laptop desk slash makeup desk and stuff. I found the perfect one, and it's just all black. It's a little throw blanket. I believe it's size 50 by 70, and it's just, it's not that soft, but it does the job. So that's what's kind of thrown on behind me, so whenever I need it, it's there. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. I was on a rabbit hole of YouTube videos, you know how that goes, and I was like, I want a little handheld fan so that I can dry my face while I'm doing my makeup and to cool me down, but I also want something that looks cute on my makeup stand. And this is what I found. I think this is the most cutest, most nicest looking. It's just a statement piece. I think it's so pretty to just like sit on your vanity or wherever you have this. So you'll press this little button here on the side. You tap it on once and it goes, this is the first speed. I think there's 3 speeds, I believe. Okay, here I am. I need to stop. And there's also, here, let me turn this off because that might be a little noisy. This little part here too, I think it's supposed to come off and you can like put a fragrance through it so you can like mist some sort of like perfume kind of thing onto you, but I don't use it for that. I just want it for the fan and because it was cute. Like, how can you not? Next up, this product is genius, and I don't know why I didn't buy it sooner when I did see it on YouTube from like a bunch of different people. A rechargeable lighter. It's just the coolest invention ever. I will insert a video of me using it and showing y'all how it works, but it's already charged. It's got a little bendy here. I don't know what to call this. It's so you can move this around and not like burn yourself or hurt yourself, and you can easily like light it in whatever direction you want. It has a little cap here, so when you take it off, this is what it looks like. So this is where the little spark will come off, but these little holes here are for the charging, letting you know that it's charging, and your battery life. This is the power button, and this is to turn it on and off. It's the Nooni Marshmallow Whip Maker. It's a rich foam maker. This is what it looks like. It's pretty much just that, but just, of course, the actual product inside. But I think this is just an absolute cool product. It's not just a little gimmick. It's not just a little, like, overly priced purchase. This is what it looks like out of the box, and it's just so cute. So it's got a little line here. So you put your cleanser in. It says like a dime size. Usually go a little smaller than that because that will create a lot of foam. Trust me, I've been using this. But there's a little line indicator here to insert for your water so that way you can pump it up. There is actual water and cleanser still in here because I wanted to show you on camera. Pull this thing and you'll start pumping and it creates this foam. Let me see if I can create some for you. It's almost like whipped cream or like egg whites. It's so cool. Okay, well this one didn't do quite as good of a job, but this will literally turn like foam, like looking egg whites and stuff. It is the coolest thing ever, and I love this thing. This is a lot of fun. And the last product that I have to show y'all from my Amazon purchase is this rechargeable lighted makeup mirror. I wake up super freaking early for work, 6 o'clock in the morning. It is dark in my room and it's dark outside. This has got 3 different lighting features similar to the newer ring light that I'm using right now, and it helps me see. It's got a big enough mirror for me to see. It's got a lot of light for me to, like, if I want to curl my lashes in the morning or do my brows in the morning or whatever the case may be, this helps me out. This is what it looks like out of the box. It's super compact, it's super thin, and it's just so pretty. The back of this, it's got the little charging port for the little cable that it does come with so you can recharge it. And it's got a little snap here so you can open this up, this becomes a stand, and then this part is the mirror. So on the screen, so this is the mirror part of it, and then this little piece here is your light. You turn it on with this little button here. You tap to turn on, and there's your cool setting, your warm setting, and then it mixes the two, warm and cool. And then you can hold to brighten, or you can hold to dim. So this is one of my books that I have, and this is the size of it. So it's a little smaller than the smallest book that I own. Now, I don't know the measurements of the book itself, but this is kind of gives you an idea. Anyways, thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me and watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul of all of the new, fun, awesome things I picked up. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know what you think about this haul, and I would love to see you in the comments down below. As always, have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.